channel, welcome to a new video. I got a big box of stuff from 100% Hardcore here. I'm really excited. Sorry, the light seems to change the whole time because there's a lot of clouds and sun poking through. But I do really like my new filming spot, so let me know if you like it as well. Anyway, I ordered a big box of their new summer collection and some other stuff as well. Small disclaimer, they're not paying me anything. I'm not getting paid to say anything positive or anything like that. But they did send me this for free. Also, I'm not keeping everything. It was like 500 euros worth of stuff, I think. 400 something. So yeah, I don't need to keep all of it. But I am going to show you everything I ordered that I think I will like. And I'll also try it on and see how it fits me. So yeah, let's get started. Got my knife. Let's do this. They wrote me a note. That's so nice of them. It says, "Hi Alennah, thanks for ordering. Have fun with the vlog. Wear it with pride." That's cool. So let's dive into this. Of course, they always send some of their information, their collection books, stuff like that. It's always fun to go through. I really love that. Also have some stickers here. Noise kick stickers. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Noise kick stickers. 100% Hardcore stickers. What do we have more? Oh, these. I love this logo. This is such a cool logo. So I'm gonna dive into it just from the top, pull some stuff out, show it to you guys. I'll also link everything below, like the website and stuff. And also you can use Alennah10HC, so that's Alennah10 Hardcore, as a code on the website to get 10% off. That's some good stuff. Okay, so I ordered one of these. Wait, let me take off my glasses. Yeah, I like it. It's nice fitting. The thing I have with these is they're pretty much always too big on my face because I have a tiny face, but I do really like it and it will look okay with my glasses too. So yeah, that's the first item. I ordered a bag as well. I really like these bags. These bags are so good for festivals because you can just throw some stuff in, close it, wear it either on your back or throw it in your locker. They are amazing. I use them for the gym as well. I use them when I go for walks or hikes. So yeah, I really like these bags. Okay, let's see. Oh, I ordered a bandana. I like it. It's a bit big for my face, but as I said, I have a tiny face, so that happens with pretty much everything I wear on my face. Like, I wear children's sunglasses usually and children's hats, so it says more about me than about them. It seems like we're going to all accessories first. So I really like the look of these hats. The fabric is just really, really nice. White may not have been my best choice, but I do really like that. It fits really nicely. Like it has a strap in the back, so you can change, It has a strap here, so you can change it. Obviously, I put it on quite small, as I was saying, I'm pretty small. But it can go even smaller, so that's really good. I like it. Okay, so now we're going into some clothing. Oh, wait, no. One more accessory. First time opening these is always so satisfying, like the little snappies. A nice fan, a little whopper. Okay, so now we really get into some clothing, and oh, I'm excited for this one. Oh my god. I'm gonna be honest, I have been eyeing these shorts for a while because I think they're so cool. I love wearing shorts like that. These are so cool. I got these shorts in a size S. They're slightly too big for me. An XS would have been better, I think. But I tied them up high and they looked really nice anyway. A good thing about these is they have zippers on both sides. So that's really nice. Not all shorts have that. I really do like the details on the side. It looks amazing. And also the embroidery on the front is really good quality as well. On the back it says United We Stand, which is a really fun detail. Okay, so next up we have, one of the bum bags I was talking about. I love wearing these. I think I have a few of them that are similar to this, so I'll probably send this one back because I have a few from 100% Hardcore. But I really like how sturdy these are. They have a pretty big, like, inside. They have small pockets here and here. They have a small pocket in the front, and they also have a pocket in the back, so you can just fit all your stuff. So yeah, they're absolutely great. I really love them, and I think they wear really comfortable as well. And you can also make them smaller and bigger, so that's really good as well. Where are my glasses here? So next up is a top. I got a Pitbull West Coast top, this one. It is a basic white top, but I really love it. The fit is really good. I got this in a size M and it fits me surprisingly well. Got a small detail on the back and the logo in the front looks really nice. I would wear this with pretty much anything. The fit is good, as I said, but also the quality feels nice as well. It's a little bit see-through, but I usually don't mind that. Okay, so I'm really excited for this. If you've seen my last video with 100% Hardcore, you know I don't really wear Australian. It's never been my thing to wear a full tracksuit. It's just not really my style, but I do really think it's cool on some people. So last time I broadened my horizon and tried on some pants. I kept some of the shorts from Australian. So now I decided to order a full tracksuit and try it on. I'm mostly a fan of the more old school styles when it comes to the jackets. Like, I do like the other ones as well, and I have a few from 100% Hardcore as well. They're really comfortable. But yeah, I thought this print was so freaking cool. So I'm gonna show you now. I have matching pants, by the way. So this is the full matching set, and I am surprised at how much I love this. I got both in a XS, and spoiler alert, I love the jacket so much I kept it. The tracksuit pants were a little bit too big on me, but I think the whole look is so cool. Best thing about this jacket is you can turn it inside out, so you can wear it as a full red suit as well, which I think is amazing. Honestly, red is not fully my color. It kinda looks bad with my hair, but I love this so much. It's a whole ass look. The details are really cool as usual too. Both sides of the jacket have pockets, so that's really nice as well. Both sides have the little Australian logo on the chest, and also, of course, the zipper has the details as usual as well. I think it's amazing, and I am really surprised at how much I like this. I would definitely wear it with the retro look, though, instead of the red side, but that's just personal opinion. I'm making a mess, guys, as usual. So the next one is a polo, and I'm really excited about this because I have a similar one to this in red, but it's in size M and it's really big on me, and this is a size S, and I really like this color, so hope it will fit me. The size S definitely fits me better. The size M I was talking about I have from Lonsdale, but I think the fits are pretty similar. I really like the back on this one. It is so cool. The color is really nice as well. The front has this nice patch on it, and of course the details on the sleeve and neck are really nice as well. You can open up the buttons. I would probably wear them closed. It's way less of a struggle than I show here, honestly. I just had some struggles opening them up while looking into a camera. So 3 more items to go. I got an Australian t-shirt. I thought the logo looked really cool on this one. It's just a basic white t-shirt. It is a basic white t-shirt in a size S, but I really like it. I would wear this with some white socks again, my Nikes underneath, and yeah, the details on the back are really cool as well, and I love the way the logo looks. I don't know what to call it, but it looks like it's vague, you know. It's like, I don't know, there's a word for this that I can't think of, but I love it, and yeah, it makes me feel a little bit funky. It's nice. I forgot to wear it here, but the white cap I was showing earlier would look really good with this too. Hi. Oh yes, so next up we got a crop top. I got this in a size S and it fits me really well. It's a little bit of a wide model, but I do really like that. The embroidery on the front looks good as always, and it has embroidery on the side as well. So yeah, I really like the fit. I wouldn't wear it with these shorts though, I think. So last but not least, I have one more pair of shorts. They're basically the same as these, except they're like up-tempo shorts. Meaning they say up-tempo on the shorts. They're not like up-tempo shorts. But yeah, they're really cool with the up-tempo details on the side and here on the leg as well. I got these in a size S as well, and while I do love them, they just look too big on me. So I'm kind of sad about that. I really love them. But yeah, the details are pretty much the same. These are just up-tempo shorts and in black. I think you can wear this so comfortably to a festival. It has pockets as well with zippers. So yeah, I really love these. I just can't keep them because yeah, you see how they look on me. I look a little bit like a grandpa. So that's everything I ordered. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you order something and what your favorite pieces are, what you like to wear when we get back to festivals. I cannot wait. It looks like it will be back in a few months. Let's hope. I really hope. Anyway, like and subscribe, and of course check out 100% Hardcore. Thank you so much for sending me all of this stuff, letting me try it out. Gunter wants to say hi, I suppose, because he's been annoying the whole video. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram if you want to. And yes, hopefully we'll be back with festival vlogs soon again. Like and subscribe and see you soon. Oh, don't forget to order with Alennah 10HC for 10% off. Bye!